Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn the bell to get notifications. How are you guys doing? I hope you had a good Christmas. I love Christmas, as you guys know by now, or if you don't, I love Christmas. So I still got my tree up and it is 3 a.m. and yes, my tree is pink because pink is my favorite color. You guys did ask me one time, so now you know, secret's out. Anyway, guys, yeah, so what I'm gonna do tonight is, last time I went to a Toys R Us store and this green creature like break into my car and it was really cute, you know? So unfortunately though, I did let it go, so I can't really like do anything with it now, or him now, whatever. I think his name was YODA or something. I think he's from like is it like a movie like Star Trek or Space Wars? I don't really know. Anyway guys, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually scrolling online because I want to find a YODA doll, like a green creature, like the monster, the alien thing, and I want to open it up and see what's inside. So I am just scrolling through. I'm just going through to try and find it. This is a little trickier because I know like they're in high demand, so hopefully I can find like the YODA doll. Oh, this is kind of cool. Guys, my puppy is like just all over the place. Like she is awake, then she's not awake, then she kind of likes to play around and make like a lot of noises. Anyway, yeah, so it's 3 a.m. and yes, I'm addicted to shopping and that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, I found a cute one. Okay guys, so this is a surprise, but I found one. I finally found one. And it says it should be coming in like pretty soon, which is great for me. I'm excited. Yay guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this here, and I think I should have like a weapon and stuff, right? Yeah, okay, one sec. Okay, guys, so what I have here is my usual weapon because, you know, I trust him like a lot. Like he's been through a lot with me and he hasn't let me down so far. And was that a doorbell? I don't know, like let me just check this real quick because it says that it's not in yet. Anyway, yeah, and I think I'm actually gonna try and cut it up this time because you know what guys, I've been trying to like cut open like a doll or whatever for the longest time and I haven't been successful, and every time I try to like tape it down, like some stuff always goes wrong. So this time I'm excited because I think that if I tape it down to like really tightly at a certain angle, I think he won't be able to escape. But guys, I think I heard like a doorbell. So I'm actually gonna go check and see if I see anything because it's pretty early. But who else could it be at the door, right? Like, I don't think it should be here now, but my doorbell's going off. And it is 3 a.m. guys, so crazy things can happen. Anyway, I'm just gonna go check. Okay guys, it's really cold. I don't see anything. Why don't I see anything? I'm like not even wearing like, you know, like the proper like, whoo, almost fell. I'm not wearing the proper like equipment. I don't see anything. I'm just gonna go. Whew, it's too cold. I can't do this. 3 a.m. and winter time is no joke. Okay, nothing. That's disappointing. Wait, I didn't even close the door and I'm hearing like the doorbell again. What's going on here? Is someone pranking me? Guys, this is so annoying. my god. Is anybody here? I'm gonna call the cops if you try to prank me. I do pranks, but I don't like being pranked. What's on my car? Wait, what? That wasn't there a second ago. Oh my god. That looks like YODA doll. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in. I don't see anybody. Oh my god, I'm so cold. Okay, why'd I do that? Gotta get back inside. Oh my god, I'm hearing all these creepy noises. I don't see anybody around. Okay, I don't care. I'm going inside where it's warm. Okay, guys. Now that I've got YODA there, I'm gonna tie it up. Did they move? No, I don't think so. Anyway, let me just get my tape ready. So tape. Okay, I'm gonna tape him down. I'm gonna cut him off. Is he moving? What the? I'm trying. No, I'm trying. Oh my god. Again? Where can I catch you guys? Where can I catch you? Stay down. I didn't even lower your eggs. Oh my god, guys! I got YODA. Woo! Oh my god, okay. He's just moving. What's happening? Oh my god, he's trying to make me stay down. Guys, I should have put eggs in here. I don't know if I'm safe here. I think I heard that he can like use his mind to like make me move or something. But maybe when he's scared, maybe he hasn't fully developed his powers yet, because he looks like a baby, right? Guys, what do I do? Do I keep him? I want to keep him. It's kind of cute. Can I train it? You guys think I can train it? It's kind of cute though. Like, I don't know what to do. But it's weird how he just like kept ringing my doorbell, then he disappeared and appeared. Like, I think it was him that rang my doorbell, and then like there was nobody there, and like he just like appeared on my car afterwards. I don't even know if it's safe. Guys, I'm gonna figure this one out. Stay tuned for next episodes. Thanks for joining me, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, guys, and turn on bell notifications. I'm gonna figure this out. And yes, I saw my Christmas tree up. I don't really care. I love decorations. I love Christmas. Anyway, Priest is out.